Wait. Oh, so much plane in the air circle the airport, or what? You know the sky pack, no space no left in the sky. Watch you go on now, nation people. Because today over JA radio burn down, it come like it was suck your mother Sunday. I say Vegas and a girl will claim say she named Pepper Seed. I say them forward over JA radio. Yo, everything them send up underneath them mother, my brother. Every single thing them send up underneath them mother. No Vegas and him fans them. Or him jockstrap sniffers them. Anyway you want to call it. The people them are rebel. Oh, a JA radio and Gaza uncle them mash up the clash. Yo, these people are not being truthful or these people are toxic. Which one? Me don't have a blood clot. No, a word name Nation people. You have a word with name toxic? Me don't know, but me still use it. Me bumper ass clot. Yo, hear me now. Killer, rip up the clash. You see what I say? With some cross and angry and miserable song. You see what I say? It never worthy of him going no further. The people them say, Gun Godzilla, the clash done, sir. And the people them hand over the winner to Gun Godzilla. Me bumper ass lad. All head broke loose. It look like Vegas did bet him life on that clash, yeah. The man come like him can't rascalad separate himself from Killer right now. It come like the best thing this happened to him since blood clot sliced bread. Believe me, Vegas sound like him all want to kill people. You see what I say? I never even know Mr. Vegas a bad man to the amount of people where the man a disrespect and a go off a wicked. I say, wait, it look like Vegas improve rapidly too. You see what I say? Where badness concerned. Me bumper ass Clot Nation people. Who don't know what over there? Who miss something if you don't know watch JA radio live. And the wickedest blood clot live that never see on a Sunday. The live they're supposed to name Suck Your Mother Sunday. Now believe me, the amount of people who blood clot Vegas send up underneath their mother. Right now I don't think they need no Sunday evening dinner blood clot. Them belly supposed to full to capacity. No gimmicks business not in my game. But here we are going right now. Yes, when Vegas dropped the run-up song, then and them say, well then, yo, Killer take long for answer and Killer say, well then, him a go load the lovers them weekend, the Valentine's weekend, and after that, you know, Killer strike goal with murderations, then all Vegas did have to do. You see what I say? When Killer drop murderation, all him have to do answer back Killer. Him a itch. And Killer drop spin barrel. Then, alright. Him forward. Then, with some talking thing. Before him drop another song. This when Killer got introduced the famous blood clot target practice with the 60 caliber machine gun. Remember 2 days Killer take an answer him song, you know. All Vegas still have to do is just take the same day if you follow Killer then, you know, like how him take 9 days the first one. You see what I say? And you go answer. Like him take 2 days, you know take 2 days too. No, you don't want to take 2 days. You want them on the internet with one bag of toasting thing, and you're there on cruise, and you're there on this and that and all kind of shit. Anyway, the song them boy I drop, them not really stand up to Killer song, because Killer song them a real clashing song. You see what I say? So the rascal thing look away and shaky. So you see if I'm going to introduce the famous Suck Out Your Mother to the fans them and striking people channel and that make the clash blood clot played out, my brother. You can't blame Killer for them thing, my brother. What you should do as an artist, my brother, in the studio, load up your blood clot gun them and load up your song them. You see what I say? For drop necessary equipment now head. You're not supposed to dip on the internet a toast with no fans and a cuss with nobody and a trace no people and you are no blogger and a back and forth thing because you are an artist, my brother. And that's how you lower down your credibility. You see what I say? And that's why the people them can deal with it. Anyway you want to deal with it, them want to deal with it because you can't stop people for calling from vlogger rascal life and speak their mind. You have to leave them things there alone, my brother, and not your business that beyond your control. So why you have to kill up yourself over something where beyond your control, my brother? No, just look into it. That beyond your control. You cannot control people or tell people what to say or what to speak. Say. You see what I say? If that beyond your bumper rascal control, what the fuck you kill up yourself for, brother? What you kill up yourself for? No, you blame Gaza, Uncle and J area. You are the cause of the clash finish, my brother. You are the cause of the clash finish. And that girl Pepper Seed where you have, I don't know if she even have a man him supposed to feed her like puss to blood clot. Cause the woman a go like say she born with a pussy and a dick and a big cannon balls. That's how she a go on. That's how the lady a go on. Me bumper rascal. Yo, me say, yo, J Radio Life. Fuck down. What me say? Down to the baby them stand up underneath them mother. Bumper rascal. I never know, say. Because killer say, it over to blood clot. Me never did know, say, it would have take a tone from Mr. Vegas. Now even funds them like this. The people them say them want it to go until December to blood clot. It look like them bet them house and land on it to bumper clot. You see what I say? It look like if that's this clash down blood clot go on, it look like Vegas a got blood clot drop down in a coma or some bumper clot shit. I so desperate the people them a go on, my brother. The clash over, it finito. The people them can't kill already. One I got to take that from the people them, not the people them opinion that, my brother. Whistle Dixie with blood clot do you know. When you come a war, you come for shoot, you shoot in a chat, my brother. You want them on the bumper clot internet and I church people and I tell them go suck out them mother. Killer not used to them type of clash there. Killer want you on him for blood clot exchange, wicked lyrics against wicked lyrics. And not bring the people them in it and so much disrespect and so much confusion and go up on the internet and all some personal thing. I rise up like well then a violence and I deal with my brother. So nobody blame killer. Any person forget the blame on the bumper clot, rascal self. You hear that? And for the last time I go and rip off this big blood clot hit song for the last time and the last time this. You shall hear this blood clot song. Not even for radio I'm not going to hear it. The war is over. War is over now. And I can see Subi lying on the ground. I could see Lazy and Pepper Seed praying over him. Shitstorm him a cry tears. Him say gun Godzilla never have to kill Subi. Watch. It done right bumper ass clock there, so. There's what I say not even money pull up when you can't pay for hear about that bumper ass clock again. Me say the war finito, finish, done. General, 10 star. Oh.